When you were born as a child, your mind was not operating. You are directly connected with the world. The mind barrier was not there. Your heart was connected with the heart of all the people, all the animals, all the plants, and all things in the world, sun, moon, everything. Your heart was not separated from the heart of others. And later, when you developed, when you learnt language, when you learnt knowledge, when you started storing so many bullshit in your mind, then that became the knowledge, language became the barrier between you and others, between you and the world. So the mind is nothing but a dustbin with knowledge, language, beliefs, and whatever you have learnt in your life. So everything you have learnt in life is stored in a dustbin called mind. So this dustbin has to be thrown out and you have to be directly connected to others, directly connected to the world again. So how to throw this dustbin called mind out? You have to cut the association, the continuous dependency on the inner chattering. There is something always going on in your mind. It is telling what's the time now, what to do now, what is she doing now, am I feeling hungry? Like that, lot of thoughts are coming continuously without any connection. So it is feeding, the mind is getting fed with lot of thoughts from others, from the world, from the news, from the external world. They are not connected, you are not aware of those thoughts, aware of how you are connected to your thought. So you are going on responding. What is she doing now? Then you open Facebook and see what is she doing. What time is it now? Then you open the mobile and check what time is it. So you are going on responding to whatever thoughts that are coming inside your mind. You have to cut, you have to dissociate from this chattering, this continuous flow of thoughts. How to cut, how to dissociate? You have to do some practices like meditation, dance, something which you feel at heart, you feel at home. When you do something which you love, which you like, which you love from your heart, then this mind is getting removed. Mind is not something you love. When you start doing something you love, the mind is removed. When you dance, when you play music, when you write poetry, when you write a love letter, when you cook, so whatever you love, when you start doing it, automatically the mind is removed. And also you can develop some practices like meditation. It is repeating a mantra, it is repeating a poetry, it is repeating some passages. So when you do such practices, the mind control over you is stopped. Even you can take a paragraph from Shakespeare, some science, or some para, and go on repeating. So you are consciously doing something. When you do something consciously, the power of mind, the control of your mind over you is stopped. And there is one simple meditation technique where you are repeating, choosing one word and repeating it. For example, you love yourself. Take your name. My name is UK. So repeat your name again and again. UK. UK, UK, UK. So repeat your name, whatever be your name. Repeat it with some gap, 5 to 10-second gap. Do this exercise for 10 to 20 minutes. Then mind gets tired. Mind is trying to penetrate you, try to control you. When you are going on repeating, not listening to your mind, the mind is trying to control you. What are you doing? What nonsense are you doing? It will continue to disturb you. It will try to stop your practice because it is afraid that it will lose its control over you. So don't listen to anything that the mind says, but go on repeating your name. Whatever be your name, John, whatever be it. Repeat your name, John, 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 John. Don't repeat John, 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 John. No. Repeat with some gap. Minimum 5 to 10-second gap. That gap is where the mind is afraid. Because mind doesn't like the gap. When you are continuously talking something, mind is happy. But when you give some gap, when you give some silence, mind is afraid. Because that is where the mind dies. That is where the mind falls down. So give some gap. Repeat your name again and again, 5 to 10 times. 5 to 10 seconds gap with silence in between. And that silence will slowly grow, will become stronger when you go on practicing this technique. As within days or within month, you can gain control over your mind. The mind's control over you will stop and you will gain control over your mind.